Mamma mia! I am no longer a hero. I am Chef Paws.
Well, that didn't go according to plan.
Wow, look at that! It's so amazing! Sophia's story time, where stories get silly.
Oh no, friends, Captain Paws just tried to make dinner, but I think he accidentally made a monster pizza. And it smells like wet socks and pepperoni. If you think you've ever made a giant mess in the kitchen like that, hit that like and subscribe button. Oh, I think I smashed it too hard. Okay, so let's see if Captain Paws can save the day. It was lunchtime in Pawville. Captain Paws was wearing a white chef's hat, so tall it kept him from hitting the ceiling fan. Thump, thump, thump. Captain Paws put on a funny accent and said,
Mamma mia! I am no longer a hero. I am Chef Paws, the master of the dough.
Pixel looked at a big cookbook inside. Pixel said,
Captain, the recipe says 2 cups of flour. You just dumped in a whole pillowcase of white powder.
and next time only 2. I repeat, 2. Captain Paws struck a hero pose and said,
A hero does not use measuring cups. A hero feels the pizza.
Socks is busy licking a giant metal bowl. I feel like I'm covered in flour. I'm a ghost dog. Woof, woof, woof. Captain Paws grabbed a giant ball of dough and said,
Now, we must spin the dough like a helicopter of destiny.
Pixel stood very still. Pixel said, I am not happy. My brain is now 100% bread because of y'all. I'm a sandwich girl. Let's help Captain Paws spin the dough. Put your hands in the air and spin your fingers like a crazy helicopter. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! We spin. A little harder. Whee! Oh, I think I later on the same too. Let me just do it again. I'm done. Suddenly, a puff of smelly green smoke filled the kitchen.
Your pizza is too boring. I shall add my secret ingredient, sneezing pepper.
Dr. Whifflepants appeared holding a jar of purple sparkles. Captain Paws gasped and said, No, the pepper, that's for soup, not pizza! Dr. Whifflepants sprinkled the pepper everywhere and said, Once everyone starts sneezing, I will steal the pepperoni for myself. Squid, ha. Socks sniffed the air. Socks' nose started twitching. Socks said, I think, chew, what? Sock's sneeze was so powerful, it blew Dr. Whifflepants backwards, into a giant bowl of tomato sauce. Squish! Ugh. Dr. Whifflepants wiped red sauce off his goggles and said, Oof. I look like a giant meatball. This is the worst day of my life. Where? Captain Paws shouted, Quick, we must bake the pizza before the pepper spreads. Captain Paws tried to slide the pizza into the oven.
It's raining pepperoni.
Take cover, citizens!
Socks ran around with his mouth open and said,
This is the best mission ever! I'm catching olives with my ears!
Dr. Whifflepants yelled, Get the pineapple off my nose!
I hate fruit on my villain outfit!
Everyone was covered in sauce and dough. It looked like a rainbow exploded in the kitchen. It's a rainbow! So sun and shining. No! Captain Paws wiped a piece of pepperoni off his goggle once again.
Well, that didn't go according to plan.
That's because you didn't read the plan, Captain. Cooking is like a mission. You have to follow the steps.
Captain Paws nodded and said, You're right, Pixel. Next time, I'll read the book and maybe wear a raincoat and make more rainbows. Socks looked up at the ceiling and said,
Can we still eat the fan pizza? It looks very fast and tasty.
Emma and Ava walked in the mess and saw it.
Ew! No way, Socks!
Don't worry, I know a hero who delivers the pizza me!
Phew, what a messy day. Captain Paws learned that following directions is just as important as being brave. Friends, what's your favorite pizza? If you like pepperoni, jump up and down. If you like cheese, clap your hands. I like cheese better. Great job. If you want to see Captain Paws be a hairdresser next, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Sofia's Storytime. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.
I am making a detergent to clean my clothes. I will be back.
Thanks for